Okay? Palakpakan tayo kung sino hindi. Miguel, comment on Cel's performance. Cel's interpretation of the song.
Parang gusto niya magpapansin na ayaw.
Pa rin. Half-half pa rin.
Ano raw? Nagpapansin na ayaw. Ano ibig mong sabihin?
Silagyan natin sa context na lalaki na gusto niya nang magka-boyfriend pero ayaw niya magka-boyfriend kasi pareho may risks.
Okay. So, parang alangan, you can't exactly, correct me if I'm wrong, you can't exactly pinpoint the context of Rizel's singing, ganun ba? Parang there is something uncertain about her interpretation of the song? Ganun ba? What about si Poy?
Si Poy naman na happy pa rin siya kahit anong nangyari sa kanya.
Parang, binabaril na ako, ganun.
Parang she's all smiles. Parang siya yung mag-take care sa'yo kahit na ano nangyari. It's just a fair.
Okay. Rafael. Rizel's.
Well, kasi parang, you know how when we're supposed to sing may pinakabukas, parang wala siya napag-uwi. Parang ganun yung internet.
Okay. Okay.
Alam mo lang nandiyan nagka-boyfriend, gaya isip mo.
Hindi. Parang, kasi,
No. I tend to agree with Rafael. Okay.
parang kasi based on my experience, if I were to say I already have experience, not that I'm saying that she has no experience of love whatsoever, pero parang iba yung may namanghuhugan na experiences. Parang mas clear yung parang kung saan yung kung ano talaga yung pinag-working.
And what about our special most beloved scholar?
Parang for the boy performance, she's just reiterating it. She's just, you know how parang people need to, people just need affirmation. She was just affirming it.
Okay, good. That's really observant of you, Rafael. Very good. Boogie, Wonderland. Sa dalawang performances, kung papipiliin ka, alin ang pipiliin mong mas inaakala mong, mas gusto mong narinig? Kay Poy o kay Rizel? Objectively. Hindi, no offense meant yan. Bakit? Hindi. Wag, okay. Jose.
Diba, I said, or kung sa writing now, she gave a question. So it was just based on that. I was shutting my eyes and I was listening to who's the living emotion first of all. But this is Rizel, she's still, we're there together, still finding it.
You know why? Ikaw, let's ask first Teacher Monet. Mag-comment ka nga sa performance ng dalawa, teacher.
Direct, they dealt with exactly the same emotions, but Poy chose to be the martyr. Na I'll be happy singing this to the guy. I'll be happy just being here, nandito lang ako. And that's what she sent. Zel had a choice whether she would project it na martyr or deep down inside, gusto mo ba yung lalaki? Kung gusto mo yung lalaki, yun na ang ipakita mo. Ligawan mo na ako. She said, sir, pwedeng combination? Sabi ko, no. You have to choose one.
See, okay. There's where the problem lies. You know why? Poy, it comes out there. Each time you go on stage, you're a nurturing person. Tulad nung sinabi ni Miguel at saka ni Rafael. It's not because of your size, anak. It's because by nature, you're a warm and nurturing person. And everybody here in the room, and everybody who gets to meet Poy knows she's a very nurturing person. Bukas ka. So it's